Yo YouTube, today I'm gonna show you one of the best camera you can use to shoot your YouTube video. Like, many people may think that those camera cost a lot of money, but I can tell you those are not too expensive. And as a beginner, if you're looking for a best camera to shoot your first video, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you in detail one of the best and cheapest one. Alright guys, here's the box, and I believe it or not, I don't pay much for this one, I can tell you, but it's a very good camera. So you have the manual come with it. You know, here you're gonna find all the instruction, everything you need inside here. You're gonna find it. I'm gonna just give you like a resume about what you should know. So in that beautiful leather fancy bag, you have the lens. I'm not gonna use it too much because I'm doing a DIY channel, but first for people who's gonna shoot video like a distance and stuff like that, so the lens, it help with a focus on in a specific point you shooting, so you can use that. This one is pretty full HD MC 0.39x. It's a really good lens that does give you a good distance about where you wanna use it. So that's pretty nice, and I love it. I don't use it much, like I said, but I really love it. It's a really micro lens. So there's a cap here. You just have to squeeze this side and then twist it. Easy to open, easy to close, and then that's it. So alright, you better save the leather bag because you don't want it to, you don't want to lose it. If you want to move your camera from area to area, so it's good to have the bag really safe. So here's the favorite part. So I love this one because I'm shooting some video outside in the sun, and this is very helpful. So this called lens hood. So if you thinking about shooting video outside, you definitely need something like that. This is the lens hoods who help to reduce lens flare and glare, and also all the excess sunlight you're gonna receive on while you're shooting your video. So you definitely need something like that. You can remove the cap, you can put the big one, you can put the small one. So as you can see, there's a different coming. So here I have that cable, the charger for the camera. Of course you need the charger. So it's really USB cable. You can find that anywhere, really cheap. We have also a GMI cable if you want to do like a live shooting, so recording all that, you can use it for that too. And the bag I do have that comes with a 16 gig SD card. You can definitely get you can take up to 250. So if you have a 250, you can get that. That's the remote control. You don't have to be touching the camera, so keep that in mind. It's not gonna open the camera, but while you open, you can shoot like the distance. You can move it up, down, zoom in, zoom out. That's really important too. But the best and beautiful part, and this is the one I'm talking in right now, it's the microphone. So not every camera have a microphone, but this one is special. I'm gonna talk about this one in detail. Here we have, alright, here you turn the power on. You get your low cut filter, your sensibility. You also have the USB cable there, to charge it. You get your tripod hole, and you also have what do you call that again? I forget the name. The hot shoe connector, so to put on top of the camera. So here's the camera, and I can tell you guys, this is really nice. Just looking at this small 60 camera make me happy. So like I said, it's not expensive, 200 bucks. Some area you can even find it cheaper than that. So go get it, guys. If you have your YouTube channel, if you're gonna start a YouTube channel, it's the best one to have. So here's the cap. Open the cap here. The 3 light right here, which is the best thing I love about this camera. So you can shoot video at night. This is the night vision light. So if you're shooting outside and in the dark, you can put it night vision and it's gonna be beautiful. So you get the zoom in and zoom out button right here on top, nice and silver, beautiful. So you also get, you know, the power and the photo button here. At the back you have the recording button, so you also can record it at the remote control, remember, huh? So open the cap way here, you got, let me zoom in for you, give me 1 sec. Alright, here we go. So you can see the 3 button inside here. So you got the charger, you got the HDMI and the microphone. So really nice leather handle, and pretty good powerful zoom in, you know. So 48.0 megapixel and also Wi-Fi, and you can even connect it to this camera while you're not here, so you can control it on your phone, go out, leave it open, and then connect it on your phone. So inside you got the bunch of buttons. You got the power button, the mode button, the menu, up and down, so which is obviously the most important one. So the power button, as soon as you open the screen, the camera is turned on automatically, and then after like a 1 or 2 minutes, if you're not recording anything, it's gonna shut down automatically just to save the battery. So they're gonna you know, notify you first, and then the screen can turn out like I would say like not 360, at the 280, turn on, turn out. So when you press the power button, you can see the 3 light on, that's mean the night vision light is active. When you press it again, you get the projector light on, so which is cool about it. I love it. I'm gonna show you that again. Put it in, so alright, so here you can see it. Yeah, you get the projector light on. So when you press it, the power button one more time, it's off. So look at that, you see this 3 light here, press it on, the night vision light on, as you can see inside. You press it again, there you go. So it's pretty good energy for, you know, some camera like this. I love it. You can project things like on your wall or like a small screen. You can do anything you want here. So when you open this side, you have the battery and also have the SD card area where you should put the SD card. So the battery, the one thing I don't like about it, it doesn't really hold for a long time. So I find out it's only lasts 1 hour when you put the battery on. But as I said, so if you're not shooting like a long video, it should be good for you. But for me, I need the extra battery just for backup, because sometimes my DIY project take a long time. So here's the card. So this is the 16 gig that come with it, but you can also add a 250 gig SD card. That's the highest you can put it on. So you all know how to put the SD card on, and they also put the picture at the side to show you exactly how to put it. And then you install your beautiful microphone, and this is the one I'm talking in right now. So it's pretty good, guys. I can tell you the high and low cut filter, it's really working. I love it. You see, look at that, very sexy, beautiful. And I'm gonna put a video, you're gonna see how it looks like, and you tell me in your comment and show me you like that. Look at that. Camera's on. There you go. Look at the picture. Like, I know you guys focus on my girls, I know they are beautiful, but I want you to like visualize the picture, the light and all that. There you go, 2 thumbs up. There you go. Wow, 2 hand even. Alright, so guys, this is it, and I think you're gonna enjoy this video. Let me know if it was helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Your comment is very important for me, guys. Please let me know what you think about this video, and tell me if this camera is one of the best for you, if you already have one, and if not, go get one. It's really good and not expensive. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next